Hello, hello, and may the force be with you. Alpha is CVS at 105%. Let's go look at that chart. There it is, CVS at 105%. Here is our CVS. And remember that the third ratio was 80, and it didn't get it yesterday, but today it popped. It got the third ratio in addition to the 100 ROI, a nice uh, double star there. And result is we are at last bar low here. The last bar low here is 78.75. You can read it right here in the box right here. Low is 78.75, and we're now at 78.70. I shave off just the nickel because I want to take out as much profit I can to get this payback. Remember, rocks become pebbles, pebbles become profit. Profit does payback. So at 1750, and we're reaching close to 400. We can close over 400. That'll take this down to 14 or $1,300 left on the ode of CVS. Here are the rules. Remember, I mentioned this many times. Know your exit rules. Know your exit before you get into the trade. Sorry, show you a little breath there. So, got it. You got it. All right, moving on. Now let's get to Capri. So the lesson here is just watching and setting up, making sure you all do your order. Now, I just realized something. Did I do the order here? Let's find out. Turn on the symbols and come and take a look. And guess what? No, I would have lost. Look at that. I would have done an amateur mistake. Why? Because I did it on the chart, but I didn't change my order ticket. So let's go do that. Come here. This is the lesson today on order tickets. My brother-in-law, who is an experienced equities trader, hasn't done options, and he's a little bit nervous about the order ticket on options. And I said, well, it's just called writing up the conditions. So I'm going to be doing lessons with him. But the bottom line is that's what it is. You come down here, cancel and replace the order. Now this is your order ticket. This is the actual order ticket. Come over here to the little gear to set up the condition exit. That's what I'll call condition exit. I'm going to 78.75, 70. So down here, CVS gets less than 78.70. Save it. Make sure I got it right. Bring this up again. I'm going to copy this title, and I'll show you why. And okay, and then come here to confirm. Come here, drop it in. Well, I like putting my notes. This is kind of cool, putting in your notes here, what you did. So like your trade journal, but it's digital, it's on screen. And the trade journal on paper, I just came across trade journal notes from years ago. I'm cleaning up my office a bit, and like, whoa. So yeah, there's enough trees dying every day to rate paper. We don't need to be making more using more paper. We just have it right here. It's only temporary anyhow. This is only going to stay up for what? A few days, and then it's gone into history. Now we'll check the order ticket, and 78.70, 78.70, and we are good to go. Do not close the bubble with this. This will cancel your order. Yeah, that cancels your order. To take the bubble away off screen, come up to the gear, the chart gear, and then just turn off show orders off, come back to apply. Okay, and now the bubble's gone. The order is still good, but the bubble is not on the screen taking up value real estate on screen. Okay. All right, so that takes care of CVS. Now we'll go on to Capri. So that was a lesson today, was the making adjustments and doing your order ticket. So coming over to Capri, and here at Capri is just ever so shy of that third ratio, 57.95, and the close was 57.56. So we are still 39 cents. Yeah, we're 39 cents away from that, and the ATR here is 219. So we have a nice incline up. We have a good shot. This might plateau for a couple of days more, and then we have a good shot that the incline will continue. Now, what's forming here is what you would call an ascending triangle. It's only got two candles, but if another candle comes here and it stays flat, see how my price channel is flatlining, but my price channel continues flatlining. But look at the bottom. The bottom is in a nice line coming up. That's what they call an ascending triangle. It's a very popular pattern that traders look for trend and for possible breakout. Okay, so a little bit of lessons there on various aspects. My focus is my stochastics and sticking to the rules that you saw earlier for the exit. Okay, that takes care of Capri. Let's go on to T. Now T is a special, not special, but T has initiated the 60-day exit rule. And the reason why it has initiated the 60-day exit rule is because it is a June expiration. We are already in May. So we started this on April 18th. We then switched to rule number 5 of the exit. Less than 60 days to expiration, dipper low or dipper high, depending on the direction. We are dipper low because this is a call. And our stop is right here. The dip low is right there. Right there is our dip low. Now, granted, the third ratio finally closed yesterday, so we had a nice double star again right here. We had a double confirmation. We have our dipper low because we're under 60 days, and we got our close above the third ratio. Done. Then now look at the nice pop we got here, and now we're at 57% with 257 against an ode of 3761. Remember that a lot of these O's that are in 4 digits are going to be around for a while, so we might be trading this in and out for the definitely be trading this and out in and out for the remainder of the year, unless we get a nice big pop like happened here. Look, if we had if the O's here had been a little smaller, this pop would have maybe taken T off the playing field and retired to the winner's circle. When I mention the winner's circle, that means that a position has paid back all its lost money. Okay, going on now to ATV, which is our put. And here's our put. And there's our put right there. We got the third ratio today. We have our hyper high. Now, very, very important. It looks like it's plateaued. No, it did not. You have to look at your dialog box and confirm. So here we got the high was 91.99. The high here is 92.02. By 3 pennies. By 3 pennies, we got a hyper high. That counts. I now put my stop, hyper high stop on the high end at 92.05. Right there. There it is. So now we have our stop, and I'm also going to confirm, did I change the order ticket? You come back to your gear on chart settings, show orders, hit apply, okay. Call up the bubble, look 92.05. You can see it right to 92.05. So the order is in, and we are going to be ready to take that profit off the table. Remember, trading is like a poker game. Everybody, whoever puts all the money goes into the ante at the poker table, but here in this kind of trading, you just take your money off the table when you are ready to take that money off the table. Because if you don't, the next person will, and then price will deflate, or they'll add more money to the pot, and then you get stopped. You stopped out on your puts. So, all right, moving on. That takes us to RTX. RTX is Raytheon. It didn't get its third ratio, and it's August, so it's going to be saying right there, waiting for that to happen. All right, the most important thing in this game, this is the ball. Your balance. These are your players. So your players are here. The ball is here. This is what you focus on. Because look here, we had 2 exits. RCL got stopped out. RCL got stopped out for 60% loss. And Newmount got stopped out for 25% loss. The bottom line is the players lost the game, lost their play, but we won the game at 29.69, and therefore we beat the S&P 12.1 right there, 12.1, and we got 25.2. And with that, I stop. I thank you for stopping by and checking it out. Bye bye.